and also be careful while shaving your this and this area. Hi guys, this is Shruti. Welcome back to my channel. और अगर आप लोग मेरे चैनल पे पहली बार आए हैं then welcome to my channel and please take a moment and subscribe to my channel, please. So in today's video, I'm gonna show you how do I remove my facial hair at home. Now there are so many facial hair removal method in the market, but I personally prefer face shaving because it's much cheaper than laser and waxing, and it has so many benefits which we'll talk about later. And also I will be showing you how I shave my face with some do's and don'ts at the end of the video, so make sure you watch this video till the end. So if you want to know more about face shaving, then please keep on watching. Okay, let's talk about its benefit first. Okay, it makes our skincare work more effective, and it also helps to make our makeup smooth and long lasting. It removes excess oil, exfoliate your skin, make your skin brighter, and also removes some pigmentation. And last but not the least, it provides confidence. Yeah, किसी किसी को होता है, अगर उस किसी लड़कियों के फेस पे ज़्यादा हेयर होता है तो they are worrying about their bullying and all, but you can do magic with this. Now certain thing you should keep in mind before face shaving is, if you have thicker hair, darker hair, then you should avoid face shaving. Yes, you should go for either waxing or that laser treatment. Okay, because it can lead green cast on your skin. Okay, green cast means जब men अपने face को shave करते हैं तो उनका कुछ green cast सा बन जाता है, which is also called as 5 o'clock shadow, I guess. हाँ, शायद ये कहलाता है. तो वो इसलिए होता है उनका क्योंकि वो उनका जो हेयर्स होता है हार्मोनल रीजन से थिकर होता है देन फीमेल. फीमेल का मतलब फीमेल का बहुत ज़्यादा थिन हेयर होता है, इस कारण हमारा ग्रीन कास्ट नहीं होता है, एंड मैन का थिकर हेयर होता है, इसलिए उनका ग्रीन कास्ट हो जाता है. सो मेक श्योर कि आपके पास ना हो. अगर आपके पास थिकर हेयर है देन डोंट शेव योर फेस. Now the next question comes in everybody's mind is कि how often we should shave our face. So it's totally depend on your hair growth, but personally I will suggest if you have so much faster hair growth, then please do twice a week, not more than that, because it exfoliate your skin, it makes your skin little bit sensitive. And also don't do face shaving at the daytime. If you're doing at the daytime, then please apply lots and lots of sunscreen on your face because your skin will burn. It makes our skin so sensitive. Second thing comes in everybody's mind is, does the hair grow more thicker? So I am saying by my experience कि no, our hair does not grow more thicker, मतलब रीग्रो मोर थिकर. क्योंकि जब भी, हाँ, जब आप लोग शेव करोगे उसके 2 दिन बाद या 3 दिन बाद आपको हल्का सा फील होगा, वो भी टच करने पे, नॉट कि आपको दिखेगा वो डायरेक्ट. जैसे हम लोग बॉडी शेविंग करते हैं तो वो डायरेक्ट दिखता है थिकर हेयर्स, बट इन फेशियल हेयर हमारा जो टिप होता है वो बहुत थिन होता है. सो वो थोड़ा सा आपको करेगा जब वो बहुत शॉर्ट होगा, लेकिन जब आप वो अपना रियल साइज में आ जाएगा, रियल फॉर्म में आ जाएगा, then you will feel the same as before. आपको फील ही नहीं होगा कि कभी आपने फेस शेविंग भी किया था. So yeah, hair does not grow thick. Now the third thing comes in everybody's mind is, does it leads to some bumps in our face? So it totally depends on you कि आप वो रेजर कैसा है, कहीं वो रस्टी तो नहीं है, वो क्लीन है या नहीं. It totally depends on you. Don't use any razor more than 10 times. Yeah, if you have already used it 10 times, then please throw it away. And आप अगर वो रेजर को अपने हाथ पे अलग स्किन पे यूज कर रहे हो, then please don't use it on your face, क्योंकि आपका face is more sensitive than your hand, I guess. So yeah, and it will lead to bumps only when your razor is not cleaned and your face is not clean. So make sure your face is clean. Now let me show you how do I shave my face with some do's and don'ts. So first thing first, clean your face and let it dry completely. And also secure your hair, even this your little bit hair, अगर ये कट जाएगा तो बहुत ही बुरा दिखने वाला है. So make sure you secure your hair. Now face shaving is typically done on the naked skin without any product or any kind of cream, but as I have a dry skin, this method does not work for me, and I always use something before my face shaving, also because it makes my skin dry and also to avoid that friction between my skin and the razor. So what I do before face shaving is to take some aloe vera gel and some coconut oil and mix them together and apply it all over my face and gently massage it. You can also use any one of them. It's not necessary to mix them both, but I do that because aloe vera gel dry ho jata hai skin pe, so I do that. So the razor which I use for my face shaving is by Feather Paine, if I am pronunciating it right. The link of the razor will be mentioned below in the description box, so you can check it out anyway. It also comes with a cap so that you can keep it in your handbag. So yeah, now here come the final part. Stretch your skin little bit, hold your razor at 45 degree. Don't hold it on like a direct essay. Hold it on 45 degree and start shaving with very little pressure, okay? Also keep in mind that you should shave your face in the direction of your hair growth, okay? After you are done with 3-4 stroke, take your tissue paper, wipe off the dirt. Be extra careful while shaving your this area क्योंकि बहुत लोग इसको अपना chop कर देते हैं. And also be careful while shaving your this and this area, okay? I'm also going to do it on my nose. Obviously I don't have hair on my nose, but still it as it exfoliate, I'm gonna do it. After you are done with your face shaving, wash your face with cold water. It's time to apply some protective layer on your skin, okay? I take my moisturizer and take 2 drops of only 2, okay? Only 2 drops of tea tree oil, mix them together and apply it all over my face. You just have to put 2 drops, that's it, because it may burn your skin. Mix it well and apply it all over your skin. It also helps in moisturizing the dry skin. I do have dry skin and oily skin types can also use this. Now the reason why I use tea tree oil because it is very soothing in nature, it is antibacterial, and it also helps to heal all the wounds and whatever is done to you have done to your skin. So because after aging our skin becomes so much of sensitive, so it helps to soothe the skin, okay? Yeah. Also take some precaution before using that. Don't use it directly on your face. Always use it with oil or with some kind of moisturizer. Comment down if you want a detailed video on tea tree oil and its benefits, okay? Because I am thinking to make that video since a while, okay? I'm not making that, but I am thinking, okay? Here are the steps which I do while shaving my face. Now back to the video. So yeah, that was my face shaving steps. So I personally don't prefer shaving. I hardly do face shaving in a month, once in a month, okay? I don't shave my face oftenly क्योंकि मैं मेरे हेयर्स उतने इरिटेटिंग नहीं है कि मैं मेकअप अप्लाई करूंगी तो फिर मुझे थोड़ा सा प्रॉब्लम होगा. आई डोंट फील एनी प्रॉब्लम. इफ दिस वीडियो इज हेल्पफुल टू यू ऑल देन प्लीज लाइक hit that like button and also subscribe to my channel and also hit that bell icon ताकि मैं जब भी कोई नया वीडियो डालूं आप जल्दी से notify हो जाओ. And yeah, that's all for today and let's meet in my next video. Bye.